So first thing I'm going to do is something simple. I'm just going to say like create a GitHub issue. Actually, let me make sure my MCP server is enabled. Good. Create a GitHub issue that says speak at GitHub Universe, or that's titled. And assign it to Black Girl Bytes. And I want this to happen in the Square Up Developer Programs repository. So what we should see is Goose should be able to use the GitHub MCP server, make a tool call called issue write. It'll write that, and it'll return the response to me. So I can click this URL just to make sure it actually worked, and there's my issue. But remember I talked about something called MCPUI, which adds that like interface layer to interacting with your agent. Your agent can now respond to you in like an interface and not just text. So I'm going to make sure I have the right extensions on, and I'm going to tell it, show me my team's project calendar. And what it should do is it should render a literal calendar that I can actually interact with. So it might take a little bit of time. The LLM's talking with Goose. They're like, what should I do here? They're making the plan and everything. So when it comes back, we have a project calendar, right? Yeah. And I can interact with this. I can literally click buttons here, like analyze workload, and it'll tell me like, oh, this person has a light workload and this person has a heavy workload. So we're going to see that before I go back to the slides. Here it is. It tells us who has a lighter or heavier workload based on the tickets it found. I'm not trying to expose you.